Celebrate Diwali with clean color and care.
Just a minute, guys. Yeah. So, hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Vedantu Commerce. Hi Raj Lakshmi. How are you? And how are you all? कैसे हैं आप लोग? एक मिनट. Hi Sham. Hi Monica. Thank you Raj Lakshmi. So hi everyone, this is your accounts master teacher MLA Sheetal Chaudhary and I welcome you all to our channel Vedantu Commerce. So if you guys are new to our channel or if you are watching this space for the first time, then please take a moment to hit that red icon to subscribe our channel. So please go and subscribe our channel for more such live classes. Also, if you have not marked your attendance, then go and hit the bell, go and hit the thumbs up icon quickly to mark your attendance. So go and press the thumbs up button, thumbs up icon to mark your attendance quickly. And I hope that you all have already done that. Hi Jagriti, Radhe Radhe, मैं भी बढ़िया हूँ बेटा. Why you are sad, Monica? क्या हुआ मोनिका को? Hi Veena, राधे राधे. So I hope आप लोग बढ़िया हैं, सब मजे में हैं. My exam time collapsed with Zoom meeting time. Oops. This is a little bad news for me also. So won't you able, it means that you won't be joining the class, huh? You won't be joining the Zoom meeting. One more thing that I have to tell you guys is, एक minute. Let me check it out. Class 12th. Jagriti. So Jagriti, what you have to do is, there is a good news for you, Jagriti. In the first or second part, I don't know. In one of the class, Alina was the winner. So Alina was already chosen in business study. So we took Puggy Arya as the winner. But when we asked Puggy, when we asked Arya, तो Arya हमारी Zoom meeting को join नहीं कर पाएगा. तो आप आर्या की जगह you was third in that place. तो जागृति आप third थे. तो अब आपको क्या करना है, आपको वो वाली मेंटी क्विज में जाके फॉर्म भर देना है, अपना ईमेल आईडी डाल देना है एंड वी विल कॉन्टैक्ट यू एंड यू हैव टू डू दैट एज सून एज पॉसिबल. तो जल्दी से जाके फॉर्म फिलअप कर दो. वील कॉन्टैक्ट यू एंड you will be having a Zoom meeting with us tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. You will be having Zoom meeting tomorrow, so you have to do it as soon as possible, Jagriti. So go and fill that form quickly and the team will contact you as soon as possible. Hello Ariba. Hi Dhriti. I am all good. Hope you are also doing well. मेरे को पता था कि आपका दिल खुश हो जाएगा. I knew this. So Monica, exam time 3 to 4:30, but you will try your best. Okay. So this is class 12th accountancy session. This is Lakshya batch session. And guys, we have something special for you. We have something really special for all of you. So let me tell you something very special. एक minute. Why I'm not able to? Yes. Just a minute. There is something wrong with this slide. Just give me 1 second. I'm trying to sort it out. Okay. So we'll tell you it later on, because right now it's not working. Here we have a video for all of you and I'm not able to present it. Okay, so we'll tell you this surprise later on. And if you guys are looking for term 2 courses, because very soon you will be having your term 1 exam and after that your term 2 will start. And if you are looking for some good courses for your term 2 preparation, then again Vedantu is providing you all the courses for your class 12 preparation. So you can go and check out our website for term 2 courses. As well as if you want to get something for your term 1 preparation, if you are looking for a course for your term 1 preparation, then we are providing you crash courses for term 1 also. So you can go and check out our website for commerce term 1 crash courses, and trust me, this will help you a lot in your preparation. Okay, so I hope that everyone had joined now, and this is very important that we are providing flat 55% discount on the crash course right now. So it's a very good time. It's a limited time deal. So go and grab it before this offer ends. Hi Amrita. तो जल्दी से जाइए और लीजिए क्रैश कोर्स so that you can give your best, so that you can score good marks in term 1 and you can make your parents feel proud of you. तो आज अपन लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? We will be solving your sample paper part 2. But before that, tell me, how's the Josh, guys? How's the Josh? High, low, medium, somewhat high. बिल्कुल पूछिए अमृता. Hi Monica, एकदम high. Okay, Josh is high. सुपर से भी ऊपर वाला हाई है. अरे वाह. Hi, so everyone is having super high Josh. So I hope that you all are ready for this revision time. We all are ready to solve the sample paper. So there is no need to ask, are you ready? Because I can see that excitement at all of your faces. So it's time to start the session now. It's time to start the class. Now, in your question paper, there will be 3 parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Part 1 will be of partnership, in which there will be 3 sections. In Part 1, there will be 3 sections. Section A, Section B, Section C. We have already solved Section A in the last class. हमने Section A already कर लिया था. In this class, we will be solving Section B. But in Section B, there are again 15 questions, but they are very lengthy. So we have divided those questions into 2 parts. We will be doing 7 to 8 questions today, and the remaining questions we will do in the next class. So there are total 15 questions in part B. Total 18 questions are there, out of which you have to solve 15 questions. So we will be solving 9 questions today and 9 questions in the next class. Ishika, this will give you more energy to give your best in your next exam. So don't feel bad, give your best and अगले वाले एग्जाम्स अच्छे ही जाएंगे. मेंटी नहीं होगा बेटा, क्योंकि हमें सैम्पल पेपर सॉल्व करना है. द क्वेश्चंस आर लेंथी, द क्वेश्चंस आर प्रैक्टिकल. तो अगर मेंटी होता तो इट विल टेक सो मच टाइम फॉर यू टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस. So in sample paper, we will be solving it together, but we can't have mentee in sample paper. So, as I have told you, we will do part 1 section B today. We will do 9 questions in today's session and remaining 9 questions in the next class. So let's see what is the first question. तो चलिए देखते हैं कि पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है. So here we have your first question. Angel, angle and circle. I don't know it is angel or ठीक है. It is angle. Angle and circle were partners in a firm. They are 2 partners in a firm. Their balance sheet showed furniture at 2 lakh, stock at 1,40,000, debtors 1,62,000, creditors 60,000. तो एंगल और सर्कल 2 पार्टनर्स हैं जिनकी बैलेंस शीट आपको गिवन है. बैलेंस शीट में फर्नीचर है 2 लाख का, स्टॉक है 1,40,000, डेटर्स 1,62,000, creditors 60,000. Square was admitted. So this is from admission. A new partner is admitted and the new profit sharing ratio will be 2:3:5. Now in this question, the old ratio of angle and circle is not given. The old ratio is not given, so it will be 1:1. When the ratio is not given, it is assumed to be equal. Then when this new partner square is admitted, at the time of admission, stock was revalued at 1 lakh. So we have to prepare revaluation account. We have to prepare revaluation account. So please pay attention. We are preparing revaluation account. Stock is revalued at 1 lakh and earlier it was 1,40,000. Earlier it was 1,40,000. So stock is decreasing. Stock is decreasing by 40,000. It is a loss. Record on the debit side of revaluation account. To stock 40,000. Then creditors of 15,000 are not likely to be claimed. जो creditors है, they will not ask their money. They will not claim their money. भाई आपकी जो liability है वो claim नहीं होगी. आपके creditors आपसे पैसा नहीं मांगेंगे. So आपका तो फायदा हो गया, मौज आ गई आपकी कि आपके creditors पैसा नहीं मांगेंगे. So this is profit recorded on the credit side by creditors 15,000. Then debtors of 2,000 have become irrecoverable. आपके जो debtors हैं वो पैसा नहीं देंगे. Your debtors have now became bad debt. So record your bad debt. It is 2,000. It is a loss. Record it on the debit side. Then provision for doubtful debt to be provided at 10%. provision will be created at 10%. So earlier the debtors were 1,60,000 and there are bad debt of 2,000. So you will subtract bad debt, the amount which is irrecoverable, the amount which is bad debt, it will be subtracted. So 1,62,000 minus 2,000, आपके जो debtors, now your debtors are 1,60,000. So you will create 10% provision of 1,60,000. Now provision is a liability. Provision is a liability. Your liability is increasing. You are creating a provision. It is a loss for you. So this 10% of 1,60,000 will be 16,000 and it is a loss for you. So you will record the loss on the debit side to provision for doubtful debt. How much? 16,000. After this, the main line of this question is, Angel's share in loss on revaluation amounted to 30,000. This is the main line. Now please focus. This is Angel's share of loss. This is Angel's share of loss, 30,000. So by this line, it is clear that there is revaluation loss. There is revaluation loss. Now we have to find out the total loss on revaluation because this is the share of Angel. So let's suppose that the total loss is X. Total loss को हमने assume करना है X. Angel's share is 1/2. Angel's share is 1/2. So in total loss, she will get 1/2 and is equal to, that is equal to 30,000. So X will be equal to 30,000 multiplied by 2X. The total loss is 60,000. The total loss is 60,000. Now we will find out the balancing figure. अब आप क्या करोगे? You will find out balancing figure. Total of credit side 75,000. Total of debit side 58,000. So the balancing figure is 17,000. That is the loss on furniture. That is the loss on furniture. So this is the loss on furniture. The balancing figure is a loss that is on furniture. Sorry, I rubbed it. This balancing figure is the loss on furniture. Let me write it again. To stock 40,000. To debtor, how much? 2,000. To provision 16,000. By creditor 15,000. By loss of revaluation 60,000. So this is your balancing figure, which is the loss on furniture. Now the original value, the book value of furniture was 2 lakh. And as it is a loss, it means the value of furniture is decreasing. Your book value of furniture is 2 lakh and there is a loss on furniture, which means the value is decreasing. So 2 lakh minus 17,000, the revalued value will be 1,83,000. So this question was a little lengthy, but it was all easy. There was nothing tricky in this question. अगर आपको कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर है देन यू कैन इजिली सॉल्व इट एंड डेफिनेटली इट विल टेक टाइम बिकॉज दिस इज सेक्शन बी. इट विल टेक अ लिटिल मोर टाइम. सो इज दिस क्लियर टू ऑल माय स्टूडेंट्स? सबको ये क्वेश्चन समझ आया कि कैसे हमने रीवैल्यूड वैल्यू निकाली है फर्नीचर की? फर्स्ट यू हैव कैलकुलेटेड द टोटल लॉस. एंजल का शेयर था 30,000 तो उतना ही शेयर होगा सर्कल का बिकॉज दे आर शेयरिंग लॉसेज इक्वली. सो एंजल शेयर इज 30,000 so circle share will be also 30,000. 30,000 plus 30,000 total loss is 60,000. You will write the loss in revaluation account and then you will find out balancing figure. So that was a loss and therefore it is subtracted from the book value of furniture. Yes, Veena, there are about 70 to 8% chances कि जैसा सैम्पल पेपर आता है वैसे ही सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस आपको एग्जाम में भी मिल सकते हैं, but there is no guarantee. So guys, here you can see your answer. Your answer is 1,83,000 and we have calculated it absolutely correct. Now coming on to the next question. So let's see what is there in the next question. And here we have your question. The question is, Asha and Nish are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. There are two partners, their ratio is 2:1. Kashish, a new partner, was admitted for 1/4 share, out of which 1/8 was gifted by Asha. Now let me got disappear. So there are two partners already, Asha and Nisha. Nish, sorry, it is not Nisha, it is Nish. Asha and Nish, they are two partners and their ratio is 2:1. Now a new partner, Kashish, is admitted for 1/4 share. Out of this, 1/8 is gifted by Asha. So out of 1/4, you will subtract the 1/8 which is given by Asha. So 1/4 minus 1/8, the remaining 1/8 is contributed. The remaining is contributed by Nisha. So Asha is sacrificing 1/8. Nisha is sacrificing 1/8. Sacrificing ratio will be 1:1. Sacrificing ratio will be 1:1. Now goodwill of firm. Goodwill of firm is 40,000. In 40,000, you will calculate the share of Kashish, that is 1/4. So it will be 10,000. The share of Kashish in goodwill is 10,000 and this will be distributed equally. 10,000 will be distributed equally 5,000 and 5,000. So, how much amount for goodwill will be credited to Nisha? The answer is 5,000 and 5,000. So, she will get 5,000. तो आपने sacrificing ratio निकाली. You have calculated the sacrificing ratio and then the goodwill is distributed in sacrificing ratio. So, Asha is getting 5,000 and Nisha is also getting 5,000. In question, they are asking Nisha's share, which is 5,000. The answer is B. Those who are talking to each other, please focus. Muku. Hi, Ankush. So, is this question clear to everyone that how we have calculated goodwill? Is it clear? Yes, Dolly. Clear, Monica. No, Veena, it will be incorrect to say that exam paper is purely same as sample paper. You can't say that. Okay, clear to everyone. So the answer is B, that is 5,000. Now coming on to the next question. चलते हैं हमारे अगले सवाल पर. So here we have your question which says, at the time of admission. Okay, so let me increase it for you. Is it visible? This is your question. At the time of admission, of new partner Vasu, old partners Paresh and Prabhav, and debtors of 6,20,000 and a provision for doubtful debt of 20,000. In their books, they had, it will be had, guys, this is had. At the time of admission of new partner Vasu, old partners Paresh and Prabhav had debtors of 6,20,000 and they had a provision of doubtful debt of 20,000 in their books. As per terms of admission, assets were revalued and it was found that debtors worth 15,000 had turned bad. There are debtors, there are bad debt of 15,000 and hence should be written off. अब आपके पास bad debt है और आपके पास प्रोविजन भी है. तो चलिए इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. Now, normally the bad debts are recorded in revaluation. Normally the entry for bad debt is revaluation account debit to bad debt. Normally this is the journal entry for bad debt. But right now, what you will do? Okay, first of all, you will record your bad debt. First of all, you will record these bad debt of 15,000. So the journal entry for bad debt is bad debt account debit to debtor. This is the journal entry, bad debt account debit to debtor. Now, to write off the bad debt, the journal entry is revaluation debit to bad debt. Because they are saying that hence they should be written off. So you will write off the bad debt and generally the journal entry is revaluation debit to bad debt. But in this question, you have a provision. So when you have provision, bad debts will be written from provision. So you will not debit revaluation. You will debit provision. So first entry will be bad debt debit to debtor and second entry will be provision for doubtful debt debit to bad debt. So answer will be A. This is your answer. These are the journal entries that reflect the correct accounting treatment. So answer is A. Is this clear to everyone? समझ आया these journal entries, yes or no? वीना बेटा टेंशन का सिर्फ एक ही सॉल्यूशन है, प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रैक्टिस. जितनी ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतनी कम टेंशन होगी. Okay, so I hope that it is clear to everyone, and you can see that the answer is A. This is your correct answer. Now coming on to the next question. So let's have the next question on the screen, and here you have your question. तो question में बोला है, given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and another labeled as reason. दो statements given है आपको. Assertion says that transfer to reserve is shown in P&L. ये तो सही है. Yes, transfer to general reserve is recorded in Pnl Appropriation Account on the debit side. This is correct. Then reason is that reserves are charged against profit. What is this? This is absolutely wrong. Reserves are appropriation. Reserves are only created when you have sufficient profit. So reserves are not charged. Reserves are appropriation. So assertion is correct, but reason is wrong. So answer is A. Answer is A. Reason गलत है. Reserves are charged. No, reserves are appropriation. So answer is A. Assertion is correct, but reason is wrong. Is this clear to everyone? समझ आया? Accounting ratio में से at least 4 to 5 questions. कम से कम 4 तो questions आएंगे. Easy peasy. Okay, Jagriti. Okay, Ariba and Monica. Now you can see your answer. Answer is A. Assertion is correct, but reason is wrong. So coming to the next question, and here you have your next question. तो चलिए देखते हैं हमारे अगले क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है. Anubhav, Shagun and Rohit and Pulkit are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:2:1. So Anubhav, Shagun and Pulkit, they are partners in the ratio 2:2:1. On 1st April, they decided to change their profit sharing ratio to 5:3:2. They have changed their ratio. Now, on that date, debit balance of Pnl is 30,000. So, the debit balance of Pnl is given. It means loss is given. Now, appeared in the balance sheet and partners decided to pass adjustment entry. Partners decided to pass adjustment entry. So what is the adjustment entry for loss? Normally the entry is gaining partner account debit to sacrificing partner account. This is the normal entry. But as it is a loss, as it is the debit balance, you will pass the opposite entry. The entry for loss is opposite. Sacrificing partner capital account debit to gaining partner capital account. So we will calculate the sacrificing and gaining ratio. So Anubhav, Shagun and Pulkit. 2/5 minus 5/10. LCM 10. 4 minus 5. It will be minus 1/10. Anubhav is gaining. Then Shagun. 2/5 minus 3/10. LCM 10. 4 minus 3. 1/10. So Shagun is sacrificing. Then Pulkit 1 by 5 minus 2 by 10, LCM 10, 2 minus 2. Pulkit is neither gaining nor sacrificing. So the journal entry will be sacrificing partner debit, Shagun capital account debit, and Anubhav gaining partner credit, Anubhav capital account credit. So sacrificing partner will be debited, Shagun will be debited, and gaining partner will be credited, Anubhav will be credited. So your answer is A. Shagun will be debited, Anubhav will be credited with 3000. 30,000 multiplied by 1 by 10 is 3000. So this is your correct answer. Answer will be A. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear? Yes or no? Clear, Monica? Veena, this is very bad beta that you are in class 12th and you are asking a very silly question right now. मेरा शक सही निकला. अच्छा जागृति. Okay, so now let me show you the answer, and here you can see your answer. Answer is A. Now coming on to the next question. तो चलिए चलते हैं हमारे अगले सवाल की तरफ, and here you have your question. So the question is, ABC are partners. Their partnership deed provides interest on drawing at 8% per annum. The rate of interest is 8% per annum. B withdrew a fixed amount in the middle of every month. B is withdrawing a specific amount at the middle of every month, and his interest on drawing amounted to 4,800 at the end of year. What was the amount of monthly drawing? So how you calculate interest on drawing? The formula is total drawings multiplied by rate upon 100 multiplied by average period divided by 12 is equal to your interest. This is the formula. Now she is withdrawing a fixed amount in the middle of every month. So when you withdraw in the middle of every month, the average period is 6. When you withdraw in the middle of every month, the average period will be 6 months. The rate is given in the question 8%. The rate is given 8%. Now, let the amount be X. We are assuming that she is withdrawing X every month. So, she is withdrawing X for 12 months. So, X multiplied by 12. These are the total drawings. Rate is 8%. Average period is 6. And your interest amounted to 4,800. Your interest amounted to 4,800. Now we will cross multiply. We will cross multiply. So X will be equal to 4,800 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 12 divided by 12 divided by 8 divided by 6. 12 to 12 cancel. 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to 48. 6 multiplied by 1, 6 to 6 cancel. So here we have 100 multiplied by 100, which is 10,000. So answer is A. She is withdrawing 10,000 in the middle of every month. So you have to only apply the formula. If you know the formula, then you can easily solve it. So I have only used the formula and then it's all easy. So x by 12, these are your total drawings. Your rate is 8%. Your average period is 6. By solving this formula, you will get your x, you will get the amount of drawing. Is it clear? सबको समझ आया? Tell me guys, is it clear? Yes or no? Clear, Ariba, Jagrati, Monica. Well then guys, you're welcome Veena. Now coming on to the next question. But before that, let me show you the answer. So here you can see your answer. Your answer is 10,000. Now coming on to the next question. So here we have the next question. Question is, Abha and Baldwin are partners sharing profit in the ratio 3:1. There are two partners, Abhay and Baldwin. Their ratio is 3:1. On 31st March, at the end of year, firm's net profit is 1,25,000. Ishika, let me go back to that question. 100 and 100 कैसे हुआ था? Ishika, you have this. We have cross multiplied and here we have this. Now, 12 to 12 got cancelled, Ishika. Then 8 multiplied by 600 is equal to 4,800. So 8 multiplied by 600 is equal to 4,800. And then 6 multiplied by 100 is equal to 600. So 100 and 100, it will be 10,000. तो आपने सिर्फ कैंसिल किया है, 100 कैंसिल करने के बाद आया. 8 multiplied by 600 is equal to 4,800. Then 600 was left. So 6 multiplied by 100 is equal to 600. So here we got 100 and the 100 is remaining. So 100 multiplied by 100, it will be 10,000. I hope you got it now, Ishika. अब समझ आ गया? Okay guys, so in this question we have to prepare Pnl Appropriation Account. We have to prepare Pnl Appropriation Account. Firm's net profit is 1,25,000. By Pnl account 1,25,000. Then the partnership deed provided interest on capital. Interest on capital to IOC, Abhay 15,000 and Baldwin 10,000. So 15,000 and 10,000 total interest on capital is 25,000. Then interest on drawing amounted to 6,000 and 4,000. So by interest on drawing, Abhay 6,000, B 4,000, total interest on drawing is 10,000. So we have recorded interest on drawing, profit, interest on capital. Now it is said that Abhay is also entitled to a commission of 10%. Abhay will also get a commission of 10% on net divisible profit. So please focus that Abhay will get a commission of 10% on net divisible profit. So net divisible profit means he will get the commission after charging his commission. उसको नेट डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट्स के पे कमीशन मिलेगी. इसका मतलब ही विल गेट द कमीशन आफ्टर चार्जिंग हिज ओन कमीशन. आफ्टर चार्जिंग हिज ओन कमीशन. So first of all, you will calculate divisible profit. We will calculate divisible profit. So 1,25,000 plus 10,000, 1,35,000 minus 25,000, it will be 1,10,000. These are your divisible profit. From the credit side, you have subtracted the debit side. Now you will calculate commission after charging his commission. So 10 multiplied by 110. 10 multiplied by 110. 11 multiplied by 1. So it is 10,000. The commission is 10,000. So 2 Abhay's commission, it is 10,000. Now, after recording everything, you will find out the profits that are to be distributed among partners. You will find out the profits that are to be distributed among partners. So, it will be 1,35,000 minus 35. 1,35,000 minus 35, your divisible profits are 1 lakh. These are the profits which will be transferred to partner capital account. So divisible profits are 1 lakh. The answer was A. Answer is A. So in this question, we have to calculate the commission only. And after that, everything was super easy. क्योंकि यहाँ पर बोला है बेटा नेट डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट, मतलब जो लास्ट में प्रॉफिट बचेगा उसकी कमीशन के बाद भी उस पे आपको उसको कमीशन देनी है. नेट डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट, तो जहां भी नेट डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट होगा वहां पे उसकी कमीशन के बाद उसको कमीशन देनी है, क्योंकि उसकी कमीशन के बाद जो प्रॉफिट बचेगा वही तो नेट डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट होगा ना मोनिका. नेट डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट मीन जो सबसे लास्ट में प्रॉफिट बचता है बांटने के लिए, तो वो उसकी कमीशन के बाद वाला प्रॉफिट होगा ना, नेट डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर टेकिंग आफ्टर. एनी अदर डाउट्स इन दिस क्वेश्चन? और कोई डाउट्स है आपको इस क्वेश्चन में? यस, हमने 110 इसलिए लिया है क्योंकि वो आफ्टर चार्जिंग कमीशन है, अदरवाइज वी वुड हैव टेकन 100. अगर वो बिफोर होता तो 100 लेते, लेकिन ये आफ्टर है तो 10 अपॉन रेट 100 प्लस आर, तो 100 प्लस 10 110. क्लियर गाइस? Okay. So now coming on to the answer, let's cross check our answer that whether it is correct or not. So yes, the answer is A, that is 1 lakh. Answer is A, 1 lakh. अगर कुछ नहीं बोला होगा तो it will be before. आप assume करोगे वो before है, after नहीं. By default it is before charging commission. आप उसको फिर कैलकुलेट करते 1,10,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 अपॉन 100. इन एब्सेंस ऑफ एनी इंफॉर्मेशन इट विल बी बिफोर, नॉट आफ्टर. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एंड हियर वी हैव योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस. तो चलिए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन क्या है. तो क्वेश्चन में बोला है गिवन आर द 2 स्टेटमेंट्स. हमें 2 स्टेटमेंट गिवन है. One is labeled as assertion and another is labeled as reason. So first, the assertion is revaluation account is prepared at the time of admission of partner. Assertion में बोला है कि revaluation हम कब बनाते हैं? Admission के टाइम पे. सही बोला है? Yes, at the time of admission we do prepare revaluation account. So this is correct. Now the reason is it is required to adjust the value of asset and liabilities at the time of admission. Why we are preparing revaluation? Because it is required to adjust the value of asset and liability so that the true financial position is reflected. Yes, this is also correct. You are preparing revaluation account so that you can record the revised value and we can show that true financial position. So reason is also correct. So both A and B are correct. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct reason. So answer was A. Both A and R are correct and reason is also correct. So is it clear to everyone? सबको समझ आया? Yes, Ariba. What about others? Jagriti, Monica, Veena, Badra. Is it clear? Sham? Yes, clear? Okay, so coming on to the last question. And here we have your last question, guys, which is from share chapter. चलिए देखते हैं ये क्या क्वेश्चन है. A par limited forfeited 4,000 shares of 20 each, fully called up, on which application money of rupees 6 has been paid. We are forfeiting. So let me pass the journal entry. Share capital account debit 4,000 shares. The called up amount is 20. Fully called up. And we have received to share forfeiture account. We have received only application, only 6 rupees. So it means 2 calls in arrears. 2 calls in arrears. 14 rupees are in calls in arrears. Out of 20, we have only received 6 rupees on application. So to share forfeiture, 4,000 multiplied by 6. And remaining 14 rupees are not yet received. Now, out of these, 2,000 shares were reissued. Out of these, 2,000 shares are reissued. So I am only writing down bank account debit to share capital 2,000 shares. We don't know that at what price they are reissued. We don't have any idea that at what price they are reissued. Now, the gain on per share, the gain on one share is 6 rupees. You have received 6 rupees on one share. Gain on one share is 6 rupees. And gain on reissued shares. We have reissued 2,000 shares. So gain on these shares is 12,000. We are reissuing 2,000 shares. We are reissuing 2,000 shares multiplied by gain 6 rupees. This amount should be transferred to capital reserve. This amount should be transferred to capital reserve. Share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve. 12,000 should be transferred. But you are transferring only 8,000. We are transferring only 8,000. It means 4,000. It means 4,000 is given as a discount. 4,000 is given as discount. So we have given rupees 4,000 discount on 2,000 shares. We have given rupees 4,000 discount on 2,000 shares. So 4,000 divided by 2,000, we have given 2 rupees discount on each share. On each share, you have given 2 rupees discount. So the face value is 20. You are reissuing at 2 rupees discount. So 20 minus 2, the reissue price is 18. The reissue price is 18. It is discount, it will be subtracted na Ariba. It is not premium beta. Discount will be subtracted from the face value. If you are giving shares at discount, you will receive less money. So you will subtract it. So answer is B. Answer is rupees 18 per share. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so let's have a look at the answer, and here we have your answer, which is absolutely correct. So yes, the answer was B, rupees 18 per share. We have issued it at a discount of 2. So 20 minus 2, it will be 80. So if you guys have any doubts till now, you can ask it, because we have completed the part 1 of section B. We have completed the first 9 questions of section B, and the remaining questions we will be doing in the next class on Friday. मैम डायरेक्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आपको पता कैसे चलेगा कि 4,000 डिस्काउंट दिया है? 4,000 ऐसे नहीं आएगा ना, आपको पहले वो निकालना पड़ेगा कि री-इशूड शेयर्स पे गेन कितना है. दिस इज द गेन ऑन री-इशूड शेयर, दैट इज 2,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6. देन you will subtract 8,000 that is transferred to capital reserve. Only 8,000 is transferred to capital reserve. So the balance 4,000 which is not transferred, this is the discount. जो आपने ट्रांसफर नहीं किया वो डिस्काउंट है. सो यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट 4,000 फर्स्ट ना, क्योंकि 4,000 गिवन नहीं था, तो पहले आप 4,000 कैलकुलेट करोगे कि टोटल डिस्काउंट कितना है. देन यू विल डिवाइड इट बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ शेयर 2,000. एंजॉय द सेशन. ओके अमृता मैम, मुझे आज नींद नहीं आएगी खुशी के मारे कि आपके साथ जूम पर मिलूंगी. अरे आ जाएगी बेटा, इतनी एक्साइटमेंट अच्छी नहीं है. जागृति, सबकी यही हालत है. ऑल आर एक्साइटेड एंड क्यूरियस दैट व्हाट विल हैपन. आई एम आल्सो एक्साइटेड दैट व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन द नेक्स्ट डे. कल क्या होने वाला है? लेट्स सी व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. Amrita, knowledge in advance debit to accounts by Sheetal Ma'am. Okay guys, so with this the class is over, and the surprise for you was, let me try it now, otherwise we have to show it in the next class. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah. So here we have the surprise for you. I hope it is visible now. It's only buffering, I don't know why. So these are the different tests that we are providing you on our mobile app. You can attempt these tests on our mobile app. There are different tests for commerce, for different subjects. So you have to download our mobile app, then you have to choose your class, in which class you are, and then you can attempt these tests. So this was the surprise. We are providing you tests for your preparation. You can go to our mobile app and you can attempt these tests. Now, coming on to the next slide, where it is. Okay, so if you guys are facing any problem, if you are facing any problems like you are having no conceptual clarity, or if you are looking for assignments and notes, if you are lagging behind in your syllabus, then you can join our live and interactive classes. You can join our term 1 and term 2 courses. You can join our crash courses of term 1 also. And we are providing it right now at flat 55% off. So this is the best time to enroll for your term 2 courses and to enroll for your term 1 crash courses. Because right now you will be getting flat 55% discount on crash courses. And for your discount, for this discount, you can use my coupon code SCPL. So go and join Vedantu's live and interactive classes today to complete your entire syllabus with us. तो अगर आपको अपना पूरा सिलेबस हमारे साथ कंप्लीट करना है तो अभी जाइए और लीजिए लाइव एंड इंटरैक्टिव कोर्स, बिकॉज इसमें आपको मिलते हैं अनेक फायदे एंड सम ऑफ देम इंक्लूड्स live online classes with high level quizzes. You will be getting live interactive classes. Then we will be completing the entire syllabus from A to Apple, from A to Z. Then we will be helping you in revising the entire syllabus through handwritten notes. So revise your syllabus through handwritten notes. Not only this, you can ask all your doubts instantly and we will be solving them instantly. Then we will be providing you topic-wise assignments after every class to clear your concept. Then we will be taking mock test also to improve your percentage. And last but not the least, along with all these benefits, we are providing you thousands of micro courses at free of cost. So if you want to revise any particular chapter, then we have separate courses for separate chapters. So you can find out the micro courses also that are free of cost. So these all benefits are provided at Vedantu only at a very minimum cost. So what are you waiting for, guys? go and find out the link in the description box. We have provided all the links in the description box. So go and check out the link to enroll for these courses now. And if you guys are new to our channel, if you are watching this phase for the first time, then please take a moment to hit that red icon to subscribe our channel. And if you guys enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, then please do hit the thumbs up icon, do hit the like icon below this video, and show some love and share it as much as you can. So do like, share and subscribe our channel. And with this, I'll see you all in the next class. तो आप लोगों से मिलेंगे कल की क्लास में 3:30 बजे इन द Zoom मीटिंग. तो पहली बार मुझे अपने प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों का फेस देखने को मिलेगा एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड. सो आई होप कि सब कुछ अच्छा ही जाए. बाय बाय मैम, टेक केयर. कल को जूम करेंगे. सो ठीक है जागृति, आपने आई होप दैट यू हैव फिल्ड अप दैट फॉर्म. सो यू विल बी गेटिंग अ मेल वेरी सून फ्रॉम आवर साइड. So thank you so much guys. Now please stay home, stay safe and take care of yourself. अपना ध्यान रखें, अपने घर वालों का ध्यान रखें. और अब आप लोगों से मिलेंगे अगली क्लास में. So thank you so much for watching this class, for giving me your valuable time. I will see you all in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Good night. Have sweet dreams and take care. Bye bye everyone.